Let's start. S is for sun. S. Well done. S is for smart. Great. Well done. S is for skateboard. Smart. Nice. Well done. S is for snake and for sheep. S. Nice. Bye-bye. S. Let's start. T is for tiger. T. Smart. T is for tree. Great. Well done. Great. T is for table. Wow. Great. Nice. T is for taxi and for train. T. Smart. Bye-bye. T. Let's start. U is for unicorn. Well done. U is for unicycle. Wow. Great. U is for umbrella. Nice. Good one. Nice. U is for UFO and for underwear. Good job. Bye-bye. U